how you doing? It's so nice to see you. I'm so glad you could join me today on YouTube. My name is Deshawn and you're watching Distinctively Deshawn. Today is a living room refresh and I invite you to come along. So welcome to my home. Hello, blessed people. I hope you all are doing well. Listen, before we get into today's video, I decided to bring you all to the country with me. We had a recent family gathering at my grandmother's home. And y'all, for those of y'all that be like, why do you like frogs? I don't understand. This is where my love of frogs comes from. My grandmother also loves frogs. I am a city/country girl. I was born in a city, but I was raised in both the city as well as the country. And so were my children. And now my grandchildren. Those are actually my grandsons jumping off the diving board. We love that good old country life, okay? And there's plenty of space. We went down there. We had a ball. Do you hear me? A ball. So I was like, this is not typical. I usually don't record stuff that I'm doing in the moment, let alone put it on my channel. But this was a good opportunity, as my children reminded me, to take the camera out here and there. And listen, it was a sacrifice, okay? Because that is not what I do. But look at my little grandsons. So these two little guys here, my two youngins, are my daughter's boys. And this is my youngest daughter on a little choo-choo animal train that we had. Listen, all the adults be getting in that too. We was big kids on that day. She was giving them a ride. And a few of my grandchildren are in the train in addition to some other family members. But talk about wore out, y'all. My youngest not my youngest, my 5-year-old grandson, he said, my mom, I'm ready to go home, because he was pooped, okay? We did a bonfire at night, and then we had some s'mores, and I think they had some outside camping for those that wanted to stay outside, as well as outdoor movie. So there you go, Joanne and everybody else that you know who you are, who said, you need to do a vlog. Well, I'm not doing no vlog, but this is as close as it's going to get. All right, guys. So I am doing just a little minor, quick living room refresh because my space really does need to be deep cleaned, but I'm not going to do that until I start to get ready for fall. My carpet right now honestly looks like who done it, believe me when I tell you. But I'm just doing some dusting and some vacuuming and getting stuff back in order. Now, I did not record a summer or spring video this year, so you all that are a part of the family and have been following the channel, you didn't get to see what I did in the space. So you'll see my summer decorations in this one space at least. And I'll probably keep this up for another few weeks or so before I deep clean the space and get ready for fall. Don't believe in failures in my life, it's only lessons. They just make room for what I'm on now. I don't got a clue, but I know the one who does know how. Oh wow. It's like I'm learning the game with the maker I already know now. Destiny has my name, no it's coming, it'll never go. I know that we all gonna be alright. We gon' make it through if it takes us all night. No matter what the odds may bring our way, I can see the blessings coming our way. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Blessings on blessings. Please excuse the glare from the sun in different parts of the video, guys. It was just a lot of natural sunlight coming through that day, so it's not much I can do about it. Look, do y'all have stuff in your house that you hate, but you just haven't gotten around getting rid of it yet? That's how I feel about that brown and tan lamp that's standing up to my left. I I'm so over them, y'all. Y'all have no clue. I just have to find something else to put in the space. Lighting is like always an issue for me. I need to really figure that out. But I don't like the aesthetic of that at all. And it's time for it to go. I can see the blessings coming our way, yeah, yeah, yeah. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way, our way, our way. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way. I can see the blessings, I can feel your presence, leaning on the change in my heart for your endeavors. I pray I'm your reflection, I fiend for your correction. The cross brought the connection, and through Jesus is perfection. Life done hit me crazy, been more stressed than ever. Living like whatever, through the rain I feel you drawing closer. Lord, make me better, take me, shape me, use me, I am yours. Take me, break me for the glory of the Lord. Okay, not only does he hold me when I'm down and feel I'm folding, he my coach when I'm the goalie, never lonely. Got that hope in he who holy, holy, holy. Keep that rugged cross all on me, need that spirit to control me. Seek that word to come and mold me, yeah. It's like I can feel the blessings. I don't know if you all noticed, but I accidentally used the spray way to clean this console tabletop. Moving too fast, I guess, so I had to go back and get the regular cleaner. I'm over this floor arrangement too. I don't know what I was thinking when I did it, but I guess it serves its purpose for now. But I just need to do something new with this whole space here. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining me today. I truly appreciate your presence here. I hope you feel welcome and are enjoying the video. Most importantly, I hope you click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Please do become a part of the family. We would love to have you join us. To my distinctive family, y'all, we are growing. Do you hear me? Thank you so much to my new subscribers, y'all. I truly appreciate y'all so much. This is a monumental moment as we have officially reached over 1,100 subscribers. Y'all, did y'all hear what I said? 1,100 subscribers. Thank you so much. I truly love y'all. To the moon and back, past, forever, and a whole lot. Safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your head get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall. Careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your head get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once. But sometimes
Sometimes you fall. 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 Sometimes you fall.
Well, guys, we've come to the conclusion of today's video. I hope you all made it to the end. Please be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you have not already done so. Remember, you are amazing. God loves you, and so do I. enjoy. Have a blessed and prosperous week. Until next time, ciao.